Hi, I'm Jeff. Pumpkin's here, and we have a tip for you. Alright, if you're working with Excel, I wanted to show you something about data storage that I don't think everybody realizes is going on. So I got a dashboard. Let's drag an Excel file from my desktop right onto the screen. So in doing this, you can see that it's automatically created a metric set, and it's gone ahead and created a data connector for me for that Excel file. Now the question is, what's happening? What happens if I change that Excel file? And the answer is, if you change that Excel file, you're not going to see it reflected on the dashboard right now. Now there's a couple ways that this is going to be stored. So let's take a look at the data connector itself. You notice that I can upload a new file. So this is the ability for me to manually replace this file on the dashboard whenever I know that there's an update. Now sometimes with Excel, people want to see real-time data. So how do you do that? Well, simple. There's a file path here instead. So instead of uploading it, put it on a network share. So you can use a UNC path here. That way, whenever somebody accesses the dashboard, it reads from that Excel file in real time. Really helpful. Now, sometimes you can have performance issues. Excel is not the fastest data source. So what you might do in that case is use the UNC path and then pipe this through a data cube. Use the data cube to warehouse it, and it's going to be quick, and you can set up the schedule for the warehouse. So if you set it to warehouse every hour, whatever it is that you need to update this, then it's going to work for you, and it can be semi-live rather than live and slow. So you've got a lot of options here, depending on how quickly that Excel is updating. If this is a one-time thing and you just want to compare against another source, then just drag it in, you're done. But just know that there are a few ways you can handle it. Hope this helps.